In this video, let's talk about how to open a Shopee Pay account Philippines. Now, in order to do this process, you'll need to download the application of Shopee Pay into your device, and within the application of Shopee Pay and within the Me tab, you should be able to see the option called Shopee Pay being displayed. You simply need to head over to it and simply tap on Set Up Shopee Pay. Secondly, what it requires you to do is add in your full name along with your NRIC number. So this is the first step, and sometimes it may ask you to add in your phone number first of all. So depending upon your case, add in the information that is asked. And once that's done, and once you also have added in your phone number, it is going to send you a text. You simply need to add in the code that has been sent to you on your phone number. Now, once you have entered in the OTP that has been sent, it is going to ask you to create a PIN for your Shopee Pay account. You simply need to create a PIN, and once that is done, your account of Shopee Pay should be created. In between, you may also be asked to verify your identity by providing your identity documents such as your passport or your driver's license as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.